One of the biggest problems that companies have these days is visibility. How do you get your message across to the potential customers that you want, the people you're looking for, the people who are going to buy from you and stick with you and refer to you? So visibility is so important, and people just don't get it right. If they do get visibility out there, they've got no way of measuring it, no way of sort of seeing where they are with sort of what people have actually looked at their sites, looked at their funnels, looked at their messaging, and where they are in that funnel leading to that ultimate purchase and sale. So what we have is we have created an incredible piece of software. It's taken us a long time. We have dealt with the expert marketeers, the expert software and development engineers out there, and my partners have been working diligently over the last sort of 18 years to finally come up with Digiscale. Digiscale is an incredible piece of software. It is regarded to be one of the best. What we've done is we've looked at all the other different funnels, the different sort of all the other different pieces of software out there, and we've put together the one do-it-all piece of software. What we're going to do in a moment is I'm going to pass on to my partner Iran, and he's going to allow you to have a look at the actual dashboard and see what the software does. What it does is it allows you to create that funnel, to take that sort of person through the sales funnel to the ultimate purchase and sale, but it follows them from step to step. So you, as a business owner, will know exactly where you stand in where are they in that process, what have they looked at, what else do I need to send to them? And then by doing that, you can help them make that decision, which is the right decision for them, and of course takes you to that buy, to that purchase. So I'm going to pass you to Rand now, and he's going to show you exactly what you've got in your hands, or will have.
Give you an overview of Digiscale and what's inside of Digiscale. So as you can see, I'm on the dashboard of Digiscale, and here we have multiple tabs and pipelines that are involved here. So I will go through one by one. First of all, here we can see the opportunities that are available to us, the pipeline value. So basically 93,000, which is a potential value, and the amount that's been closed, the conversion rate. You can see where it's come from, where your leads are from. You can see all of that, and then you can see an overview of your phone calls, your SMS, and a whole lot more on this dashboard. The next one I wanted to go through is the conversations. Now, the conversations is a tab where you've had conversation with any one of your leads. All your leads are on the left hand side. Now you can actually go ahead and email them, SMS, send an SMS message to them. You can also send a message directly to Facebook Messenger and Instagram chat. So you can do all of that here. You can create an opportunity, book a calendar, book an appointment with this customer. So yeah, you can see everything that's happened with this customer so that you don't ever get left behind. Your team members know exactly what's happening here. Okay, so this is where the conversations happen. Then we have calendars. Calendars are, this is where you have appointments. Now you have your own individual calendars. So if you can see, we have multiple calendars here. You can have as many calendars as you want. You don't need Calendarly. You don't need scheduled ones. We have it all inside of Digiscale. Right, let me go back. Then you have contacts. Now in the contacts, you have all your leads coming in, and you can group them, put them in a list, put tags to them, and then start email marketing from here as well. So you can do your email marketing from your contacts list. And then we go down a bit more and we come to the opportunities. Now, opportunities is where the pipeline is, where all your leads are. Are they coming from a masterclass? And are they a new lead? Have they been reached out to? Warm leads, booked calls, proposals sent, payment received. So you can literally move customers along, as you can see, from each stage, so you know exactly where your customers are, so that your team members can follow up with them, close the deal, so you never ever leave a lead behind. So that is absolutely fantastic. You will really enjoy this feature, because this way, whether you have Facebook groups and you want to feed your members into the CRM, it will come automatically. We have a extra piece of software that connects with it, and then start an email campaign with it. So yeah, there's multiple things that we can do. I will cover all of that on another lesson, because we have a lot to go through. Then we have the payments now, integration. So basically you can integrate Stripe here, and you can create certain products and payments. You can make invoices, so you can send invoices to your customers. So you can do all of that from within here. We have the marketing. Now the marketing is, inside the marketing we have the email marketing. You can build campaigns, you can build templates, you can build triggers in there, and you can do your social planning. So what I mean by social planning is you can post to Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, all from Digiscale. So within the software you can create a post, you can schedule a post. So basically you can see basically what's working for you, and you get your team to actually send out new posts from here, so that they can get more leads into your system, so you can follow up and close more leads. Then we have automation. Automation is actually very, very powerful. It's creating workflows, so that when a customer actually enters into a workflow, and then what the system should do. So first of all, send them an SMS message. Then depending on what they've replied to, you add them to a different campaign. So this is, again, it's more of the advanced users, but it's a very powerful piece of kit, and you will absolutely take your business to a whole new level. So that's a workflow, the automation. You can create campaigns as well. So you can create campaigns to actually trigger, when somebody fills out a form, you trigger a campaign, and that will then shoot out emails, SMS, all throughout. Again, we will be doing in detail training of this, so that you can understand exactly how to do it. Trigger is, again, similar to workflows, but a bit more easier. So you can actually set that, if my customer has done this, what should I do? I will go through that again. Then we have the sites where we have funnels. So you can actually build your funnels here. You can build your websites. You can build, add WordPress sites, build membership areas, so that you can host your courses. You can build forms, surveys, chat widget. So basically you can build all of that. This is a big section where you can go into one of your funnels. So I'm just going into a funnel of mine. So basically when I go in there, it shows me all the steps. And then we have the option to do split testing, send traffic to different pages, depending on where we want to send it. We can add our domains in here. You can see, as you can see, it's very, very easy to actually edit. I'll just go ahead and I'll quickly give you a little bit of a peek view inside of what's happening. So here, as you can see, every single element is editable. So you can see you can add these things as you go along. You can add videos, lots of different designs. So as you can see, it's all about the right content and the right design to attract the right lead. As you can see, we have sections, rows, columns. We have elements where you can add your headline, sub-headline, paragraphs, videos, surveys, calendars, so much more, navigation, and we one-step order, two-step order to collect your payments. You can add pop-ups, where, as you can see, we have added a pop-up here to collect data. This is for SEO, the tracking code, custom CSS, typography. You can do all of that. You can do everything, build easy websites and funnels without any technical knowledge. So again, I'm going to go out and I'm going to show you the rest of it, because like I said, there's so much to cover. So in one small session, we won't be able to cover it in one small session. So again, so websites, we have the membership areas. So any membership sites that you have, you can add those in there. You can again, you can see how many people have opted in, how many members you have, what's the sales, how many checkouts, those kind of things. And then we have reputation management, so where you can actually send reviews to your existing customers and get reviews so that they can then be listed on Google and Facebook with a single click. So very little work that you need to do, and that ranks your site, your funnels higher, and your business gets a very, very good reputation. Reporting, you can see all your Google ads reporting, Facebook ad reporting, all in one dashboard. So you can see all of that here. As you can see, it's a very simple way to actually get data. Now we have a few other things. Lead Finder is one of them. We'll give you a demo on another day. We have Digiscale training. So all the training videos are in there so that you can go through the training and do what you need to do. If you get stuck, come back to this training, explains everything about it. We have a support page where you can get in touch with us through Messenger and email, so you can do all of that. And then we have a lead flow to collect leads from Facebook. And that's another session, and I'll give you an overview of that. So hope you guys have enjoyed the overview of Digiscale and how powerful this piece of software is. Here, I mean, this is absolutely amazing. You can search for customers and you can see exactly where they are. So it's just phenomenal. Here you can have quick actions, add a contact, book an appointment, send a review, create an opportunity. So the list goes on, and I really think that this is a game changer. And some of the big marketeers have said also that this is probably one of the most effective piece of software and all-in-one in the world that actually solves a massive problem. So yeah, go ahead, and I'll see you on one of the other trainings so that we can teach you more on how to use Digiscale. Thank you.
Wow. Well, I hope you can see the potential and the possibility that this software will give you. It actually helps you to sort of map out the buyer's journey right through from actually catching your first tripwire, your lead, right through to the purchase itself. And it gives you the most amount of information to help you to get that person to actually purchase a product. Now, what we're doing at the moment is we're going to offer you something really, really special, something we've never done before, but my partners asked me to offer this to you. So what we're going to do is we're going to offer you a very, very special 2-package price, which if you click on the link below, you'll be able to book yourself a consultation call with the RAN or one of our other sort of engineers, and actually talk through what it is that each one of those packages can offer you and which one would be the best choice for you. So why don't you click on the link below, book yourself an appointment, find out how we can help you. Dr. Sandhu here to help.